In this video, I am going to teach you how to solve your Rubik's with two moves and an interesting movements that I will teach you at the end of the video. First, you have to scramble the Rubik's and make a square on top of it. Let's go. After you have made the squares, repeat these movements until your Rubik's is completely solved. And as you can see, your Rubik's is solved. Now let's go to the training of that interesting move. So watch carefully. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until the next video, goodbye.